Hey everyone, Caleb here with Oasis Bath Solutions. Got a really beautiful new shower to show you guys here that we just finished in the Bothell Mill Creek area. This one's got this amazing, gorgeous barn door on it with the big return panel, all frameless glass, brushed nickel hardware. Just a gorgeous door that you see right off the front. Slides super, super smooth and easy. And we've got this custom built pan on here. This is in our Botticino cream color for really nice composite material centrale. So we built that shower base on site. So it's hand fabricated. It's not pre-mass manufactured at the hardware store. We built that from hand, and you can see beautiful, beautiful construction. And it's got this giant custom niche built in there. There is some shelving that we added in later on. This video is just taken before the shelving was put in. I'll throw a photo of that after with the custom shelving put in. But you can see we've got that really nice all metal custom hammerhead valve. That's a professional grade valve. It's not like your typical hardware store brands where all the internals are plastic and they come apart after a few years. And then up top, we've got a multifunction hand shower with a lot of different settings on it. So you can switch between different sprays and different settings. And yeah, you see, we also did the new floor in there. Everything is cleaned up beautifully, and client was really, really happy. So yeah, beautiful tub to shower conversion, big shower expansion that we finished in the Bothell Mill Creek area. And yeah, Oasis Bath Solutions, give us a call if we can help you with your bath remodel. 206 972 1479. Thanks so much.